Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make Halibut Rezala, which is a Mughlai fish recipe that uses yogurt, nuts and saffron. It is a rich, indulgent, delicious curry similar to a korma. For this recipe, I'll be using 4 pieces of boneless halibut fish pieces that I'm going to cut into smaller chunks, 1 cup shallot paste, 1 tablespoon each crushed ginger and garlic, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and half teaspoon nutmeg powder, 3 tablespoons of cashew powder, 3 tablespoons of thick yogurt, and some saffron infused milk. Heat some oil in a pot and then shallow fry the fish lightly for 2 to 3 minutes to get a nice sear to them. Make sure that you don't brown the fish. Just a very light golden color to them is enough, and then take them out. In the same pot, add the shallot paste. Give it a mix. Then add the ginger and garlic and fry everything together till the water dries out. Then add the powdered spices and mix the spices in. Then add the cashew nut powder into the pot and fry for 2 more minutes, stirring the pot well. Then add salt according to your taste, followed by yogurt. Add the yogurt in stages, a spoonful or 2 at a time, and mix it in till it is nicely blended, and then add some more yogurt and mix it in. Fry till all the masalas are cooked, and this is the consistency. Then add 1 cup of water into the pot. Give the pot a stir to blend everything together. Now it's time to add the halibut fish pieces back into the pot. Scoop some of the gravy on top of the fish like I am doing here, and then cover and cook for 15 minutes on low flame. Then take the lid off. Check the fish. And then add the saffron infused milk into the pot. Gently move the fish about and cover and let the saffron infuse for 2 minutes. And there you have it. Our delicious halibut rezala is ready to be plated up. Put the chunky halibut pieces in the bowl, spoon the gravy over the fish. Sprinkle some dry mint leaves as a garnish and serve with boiled rice or pulaus. Halibut rezala is a luxurious fish recipe which uses an expensive fish and is ideal for a treat on special occasions. It is a nutty, flavorful and aromatic dish which will appeal to fish connoisseurs. Give it a try and enjoy.